G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com. And I'm here to walk you through the brand new artistic effects in Photoshop Elements 2024. In Photoshop 2024, we have got some new artistic effects in the quick edit mode. To get to the artistic effects in quick edit mode, click on the effects button and then click the drop down for artistic effects. Let's check them out. We can choose some options with our effects. We can choose to keep the original photo colors. We can choose to reduce the intensity of the effect, and we can choose to apply it to just the background or just the subject of the photo. Or we can apply it to both. So that's the charcoal effect. Now let's have a quick look at all the other new options. Copper, silver tones, azure, and finally, isle, as in an island. Now, of course, these effects have a different kind of look depending on what kinds of photos you're using them on. So be sure to play around with these new artistic effects in Photoshop Elements. And if you haven't kept up with artistic effects, there's quite a huge range of them now. And they can be accessed both in the quick mode, as we've been doing, or in advanced mode, where you can find them under the effects tab or under the effects window. Press F2 for a shortcut there. You can go up to artistic effects here, and as you'd expect, it's pretty similar. You just click on the effect that you want and then change the options below. You can get some different sorts of effects by dialing down the intensity. So that's how you can use the brand new artistic effects in Photoshop Elements 2024. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek into the artistic effects. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of when I make new videos about Photoshop Elements. And if you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop Elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.